All right, thank you for subbing in for our class today. Today we're going to be talking about parts of speech, and we have a collaborative lesson set up. So today they're going to be using a web quest that me and Miss Jessica created. So why don't you talk about what we're going to be going over today, Jess?
So for this class, the students will be using this Adobe Spark that we will be providing them with, and it's going to be on their own. They're going to be able to learn all about it on their own computers or iPads, and this is just for your purposes to be able to explain it to them if they get confused. So they're going to be reading an introduction that will explain how what the different parts of speech are, which we're covering nouns, verbs, and adjectives in this lesson, and they will go down and it will show them their task. Now, there are a couple different steps to this lesson, and they will be doing them on their own. This Adobe Spark contains different links that will show them what we're going to be doing through this lesson.
All right, so our process, what they're going to do is they're going to start off by going over the definitions of a noun, verb, and adjectives by doing research on their own. So they will go to outside sources and research them on their own. Then we have different things like this game that we have, which is a part of speech game. They're going to be clicking different links to go to the different sections of the website. So it instructs the students here that they're going to be clicking only nouns, verbs, and adjectives. They're the ones they're going to be playing with. And then they're going to go through the game, and then they'll obviously click here and shoot the correct term that goes with adjective, which is down here on the rocket. So that'll help them go over the game and get started with their process. And then secondly, they're going to be doing a class blog, which we have a Google Doc set up. So they're going to be going to the blog. They click right here to the link. It should take them right to it. And they're going to write a sentence where their assigned number is for our class. So whatever their assigned number is, they're going to write a sentence like the one we have up here, for example. So you'll see that. And then finally, we're going to be doing a Mad Lib.
So for the Mad Lib, the students will click the link that's given, and they will be filling in nouns, adjectives, and verbs to create this little story. Most of them have done Mad Libs before, so they'll have an easy time doing that. They're just going to input a word and it will generate it, creating a Mad Lib for them. And it will be shown down at the bottom. Now, what they're going to do after that is they're going to copy the story and bring it back to the Adobe Spark and click the second link, which will take them to another Google Doc, and they will paste their story underneath, right next to their class number. So after that's all done, they will be able to look at the evaluation, which is a rubric that we will be using to grade their different stories and the sentences that they wrote, and just to kind of evaluate if they have a solid understanding of the different parts of speech.
And then for our conclusion, they're just going to go through. You'll be ending this lesson right before lunch. So they're going to answer these two questions on a sheet of paper, and they'll pass it to you as they leave the door for lunch. So we hope this helped you out a little bit. We hope you have a good time in our class and enjoy and are able to do the Spark well. Thank you so much.
Bye.